Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up GitHub notebooks or code into Google Colab. So let's suppose that you have your notebooks that are in your remote repository, which is in this case on GitHub. And basically, you want after that to import your notebooks into Google Colab and open them into Google Colab. And basically, all you need to do is simply to start using a trick by going to your GitHub and simply you can change the URL from there. We can get it to Colab. So as you can see, we can already find here in this repository that there is some links, but you won't always find them in all the repositories uh, on GitHub. And basically, this is just one of the many repositories. And let's suppose that we want to open this notebook into our Google Colab. So we need just to simply go to the GitHub and we will need just to add another keyword, which is to colon. And basically now you will need just to press enter and you will find that this repository or this notebook that will be start open up into the Google Colab. And as you can see now, we have opened up successfully this notebook into Google Colab, and here we can find already all the headers or all the sections. So basically this is the environment setup and all those are all the paragraphs or sections of the project. And if we go again and let's just go to our project and simply we go here, we will find or we are supposed to find the same content. So as you can see, those are all the PyNB or the notebooks files that has been or that we have opened in Google Colab. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.